In this video, we'll discuss how to change the band on your Fitbit Versa smartwatch. These directions are for the Fitbit Versa, Versa Lite, and Versa 2 smartwatches. For the newer Versa 3 and Versa 4 models, view my video linked above or in the video description. And if you have a Fitbit Versa smartwatch and are looking for a new clock face, consider purchasing my clock faces for Fitbit smartwatches. Find a link in the description. To begin, let's turn over the Fitbit device so we can access the band's quick release lever. Press the quick release lever inward. Then gently pull the band away from the Versa watch. Repeat this process for the other band. To attach a band, hold the band at an angle and slide the pin into the notch. Then press in the quick release lever and move the other end of the band into place. Repeat this process for the other band. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like this video and consider subscribing for more smartwatch content like this. Thanks for watching. Until next time.